Today I am so excited to do a review on this Pelsee P1 dash cam, front and rear, double sensor, dual cameras. It's got night vision, HDR, WDR, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice activated. This is way cool. This has got all the bells and whistles. It's got intelligent night vision, and to top it all off, it's got driver assist. So it stops, it helps, it warns you. It doesn't help you or stop you, of course. It warns you for something being in front of you, like a pedestrian walking in front of you or a car, possible collision, etc., etc. But what comes in the box is, here's the rear view camera right here, and then the cable that comes with it, and this, use your adhesive. These cables connect together, and this is the main camera right here, and then the long cord, of course, and it plugs into here. It's got a C cable on it, and it comes with a 64 gigabyte little drive too, little smart card, TF card, and I put it in, and it wants me to go ahead and format it. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and format it.
Formatting completed.
So it just formatted.
Recording started.
So it's already working. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool right there. Can you see it? Yeah, so it's got all these nice little functions. I am so, oh my gosh, this is like way cool. This is way cool. Oh my gosh. Got an on and off button. Got a back button. Let's go to the system here. Let's see if I can get better at the system. No files. Wow, this is way cool. Here's the system right here. So you got Wi-Fi, volume, boot sound, date, time, voice control. This is the best cam I have ever seen. This is and I've had a whole bunch, and this by far, this like knocks everything out of the water. I love this. I can't wait to put it in my car and start recording. That's another video all by itself, isn't it? On a scale of 1 to 10 so far, I give this a 15.